Yo, what's up, YouTube world? It's B87 checking in, and I'm back to let you into my Robinhood investing account. Now, today it's Tuesday, April 6, 2020, and the stock market is doing very well. Now, in today's video, I want to take a deep dive into an individual stock that I've owned for quite some time, and it's done very, very well during its time in my portfolio. So before I really get into it, if you're not already subscribed to the B87 channel, do me a favor and subscribe to the channel, please. Now, I drop consistent videos on investing in the stock market, and I'm a self-proclaimed financial literacy enthusiast. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that thumbs up button. Now, let's just go ahead and check out the current value of my portfolio. As you can see, I've reached a brand new milestone. I finally have over $20,000 invested in the stock market today. It's been quite the journey, and I really appreciate all of those who've come along the ride with me. So just thank you for your time and effort. I'm going to continue to keep investing in the stock market, and I hope I continue to inspire you. But as of today, the market is up, and my portfolio is up over $176. For the past week, my portfolio is up $800. For the past month, my portfolio is up $1,600. For the past 3 months, my portfolio is up $1,000. And for the past year, my portfolio is up $5,676. So yes, the stock market has been fantastic. It is definitely a pillar of wealth. And what you want to do is you definitely want to invest in good quality companies. And then lastly, time is your best friend. So you just let time in the market really help you as far as with the capital gains, as long as you are investing in good quality companies. And then speaking of good quality companies, as I mentioned, I want to talk about one individual stock that I own, and what that stock is. It's going to be Hercules Capital, ticker symbol HTGC. Now, Hercules Capital, they're widely recognized as the largest non-bank source of venture lending financing in the market. And they've helped entrepreneurs realize their dreams through the use of alternative or even complementary sources of growth capital. And then Hercules Capital, they specialize in providing venture debt, senior secured loans, and growth capital to privately held venture capital bank companies at all stages of development, from startups to expansions, mid-tier companies, and then even established companies. So now let's just go ahead and check out the current market cap of Hercules Capital. And as you can see, the current market cap is just about $1.88 billion. So what that means is that they have plenty of room left to grow. And then their headquarters is located in California, and the company was founded in 2003. So now let's just go ahead and check out the actual value of the stock. As you can see today, it is up a bit, and the current price is $16.76. For the week, they're up a little bit. But really what you want to see is for the past year, the stock price has went up $9, and just so on and so on. It's not necessarily any red, it's all green. And basically, I'm just saying, as far as a good long-term stock to hold, Hercules Capital has definitely fit the bill with me. So I just encourage you to kind of give a look into it, maybe add it to your watch list, or even kind of start developing a little position in your portfolio if you would like. As you can see myself, I have 90 shares of the company, and my average cost is $12. In today's return, I'm up $20, but for my total return, I'm up over $400 in Hercules Capital. And what that translates to is 39%. So I'm up 39% in my holding for Hercules Capital. And that's not even the best part of me owning this company as far as the capital gains. The real true icing on the cake is the dividend. And if you've been following my videos, you know that I definitely love collecting dividends. Dividends is that passive income that I'm hoping I can continue to keep accumulating over time, and ultimately help in regards to an early retirement or even just financial freedom. So as you can see, Hercules Capital, their dividend yield is 7.79%. and then they pay quarterly 32 cents per share. And then they have a 10-year streak of uninterrupted dividend payouts. Let's go ahead and just check out some of the dividend payments. Just a brief history. Let's see. So we're going to switch to dividends. And as you can see, the past 30 days, on March the 15th, I received $27.25. And then I also received a second payment of $4.26. So as you can see, that's over $30 right there in just dividends from Hercules Capital. That's just passive income. That's just me continuing to, purchase more Hercules Capital shares over time. My goal is to get to 100 shares. And then after that 100, then I'm just going to get more and more and just keep getting that more passive income. I'm at 90 right now. So I still have 10 more to go just to hit my first milestone. And as you can see, it looks like back in August 19th of 2019, I received my first dividend payout, which was 54 cents. And just as I'm scrolling, you see it's going up and up and up and going more. And ultimately, like I said, I want to get at least to that good round 100 so I can receive $32. And then after that, I just want to go on and on because, as I mentioned, they've been very good with their dividend payouts. And as I mentioned, 10-year streak of uninterrupted dividend payouts. So then also, if we scroll down a little bit, and you will see that the Robinhood, they've compiled their analyst ratings, and their analyst ratings have given HTGC a 100% buy rating. And then per CNN Business, analysts offered a future 12-month price forecast for Hercules Capital, and they've determined that an estimate of at least $17.50 per share just within the next 12 months alone. So I'm definitely looking forward to that. I'm looking forward to when they go ahead and hit that $17.50. And then after that, I'm hoping that it's going to go up even more. Let's just go ahead and kind of check out their 52-week high. As you can see, their 52-week high was $16.80, and their 52-week low was $7. And of course, that 52-week low, that's attributed to the pandemic that occurred last year. And it was during that time that I used my income that I have to buy even more shares of the company. So I definitely bought on the dip, and I'm definitely enjoying this ride as they continue to reach new levels. As I mentioned again, 52-week high is $16.80, and right now they're at $16.77. So they're almost hit that 52-week high. And then, as I mentioned, per CNN Business, within the next 12 months, they're going to reach another high of $17.50 per share. And I'm hoping after that, they continue just to keep grinding and keep going to the moon, because I'm going to continue to keep holding Hercules Capital, and I'm going to continue to keep collecting those sweet dividends. But yep, so I just wanted to highlight this one particular stock. As you can see, my portfolio is very diverse. I have 35 companies in my portfolio. The majority of the companies that I hold are dividend stocks. I want to say at least about 32 dividend stocks. 3 of my stocks are for growth, but majority I want to collect dividends because I want that passive income. And I have my drip turned on, which means as I receive a dividend payment, it's just reinvested back into that company so I can acquire more shares. But yep, investing in the stock market and just consistently reinvesting my dividend, that's really helped me. Again, I thank everybody who has joined me along this journey. I'm finally over $20,000 invested in the stock market. I never, ever thought that I would have this much money invested in the stock market. Honestly, I've never even had $20,000, just in one, just like one asset or just one, just at once to my name, $20,000. So I'm just extremely appreciative for the stock market and that it's allowed me to do what I've done. So again, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. If you don't already have Hercules Capital, just consider putting it on your watch list, or even consider getting like a small position in it. But yeah, that concludes this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the page if you're not. And if you don't have the Robinhood app on your phone, go ahead, click the link in the description box, download the app, and start investing in the stock market today so you can also build wealth. These are some very troubling times, people. So I do hope that you are investing in the stock market, because if you do that today, your future self is going to love it. Peace, fam. I'm out.